Okay, so here's an active fire map on the west coast. There's a lot of fires in Oregon burning. You can see the aircraft in the air too. Some areas of these fires, there's like one or two people actually fighting them. There's actually almost no resources in some of these fires as far as fighting them, so they're just allowed to burn because there is nothing except for what locals can do, because there is no more resources. All the fire resources are pretty much tapped out in the U.S. at this point. I've read some reports of some international teams coming in to actually help and assist, but it's just the resources that are tapped out, and the fire season's only getting started. It'll get worse here. So let's get into Oregon here. Oregon will probably be a multi-part video because there's so many fires going in so many towns impacted right now by this. So here we go. We'll zoom in here and do them one by one, working from east to west. So when you look at the map here, the red is actually where the active fire line is at, and where the darker colors are at is where it's already kind of burned. You can see the big grass fire pretty much burned into the pure fire over in Idaho. So you can see the wind direction there, how the wind's actually pushing it down here, and that's the reason why you see a lot of the fire activity going this direction up through these mountains here. Very rugged, very hard terrain out here. So here on the Bald Mountain fire, you can see how it started off as a grass fire and how fast it spread. So you can see here on the Bald Mountain fire, it's pretty much spreading on all four sides here, so it's only getting larger here. The size of this fire here is, let's see if it'll show up. Bald Mountain, 76,000 acres. Then we got the Hat Fire, which is 44,000 acres. Then to the west of Bald Mountain there, we got this complex of fires here. So you got this cluster of fires here. You can see on the satellite how it spread and just grew really fast. It's a grass fire. So you can see the size of it here. It's called the Coleman Creek now. And it's 112,000 acres, and it's only got 33 responders on it. It's been active for 3 days now. That's how big these fires are. 33 people for 112,000 acres. And as you can see, all these fires are pretty close together. I could see these fires here actually kind of burning together in a big complex here very easily, which is unheard of, but it's just massive. Then you can see here we got the second flat fire and the Egypt fire right by Burns and Hines, Oregon. Like, this is the problem right here. The Egypt fire there has been burning for 12 days and it's got 3 people working it. But it very well, the Egypt fire did start the second flat fire. The second flat fire is the one that's affecting Burns and Hines, and it's only been active for 4 days. So this is the problem. These fires are so remote, they're hard to get to, and they just get forgotten until they become a bigger problem. You can see on the night vision camera, they're looking over the forest. It is pretty smoky out there, which is to be expected. Then you got the Henry fire, which is 29,000 acres. It's been burning 12 days, 316 personnel on it. Pretty good size fire. And then we got the Coyote fire, which is 12,000 acres, I believe, and it's got 573 personnel, 12 days of fighting this thing. I'm about to get another video here, but thoughts and prayers, and we'll keep making these videos here so we get the awareness out on these fires.